Hello viewers, welcome to our today tutorial on how to calculate the volume portion of your reservoir in dam or area of valley in your study area. So in our previous class, I already done on how to calculate the volume of a mountain and areas. So today, I'm doing you on step by step on how to calculate the volume of a reservoir of your valley. Here we go. So let's create a shapefile. Let's give a name section 2. Then choose polygon. Then project. Then you tell me nothing. Using 33 here, 32. So having done that, let's see you are included. Continue. I'm using rectangle now to cover the study area of my interest. So we use polygon to digitize the area because I want to digitize the study area. Of my interest for this tutorial. So having done that, let's go back to our edit tools, save, then stop editing. Highlight, minimize, then go to under window, close. Let's close window. Let's read the particular item you are working on. Then let's clip. You can see we have clipped our study area. So having done that, next thing is for us to project the dam, project the clip dam to match with the same UTM coordinates of your shapefile. So we have launched into our ArcGIS. So let's add our data. So here is our dam and the study area. Remember that our aim is to calculate the reservoir volume of the study area and the surface area in 2D and 3D. So let's right click on the dam, go to properties. Let's go to symbology. Best height, let's work on best height first. Floating on custom surface. apply. Okay, so you can now see the value, the depletion of that study area. Please subscribe, like and share, and stay tuned for more videos. To the invite. Let's make it the rows to be 657. 69759. So let's change the column of the shapefile. So you can bring the volume, the water, the shapefile to cover the area of your target by clicking on the share file. Then when I click, you go to best height. Under best height, this time you now set it on float. Then you choose the parameter of your choice. It will be 2000 or 1000. About. Now let's calculate for the surface volume. Let's calculate the surface volume. You need to open your attribute choose box. For choose box, you click on 3D. From 3D, you find where we on 3D you see functional surface. Then from under functional surface, you click on the surface volume. That is where you calculate the surface volume on the surface. Remember, at this point we are calculating below. Now previous class, which is 3D, calculated the volume of 3D. In month we calculate, you are dealing on above. So on this section you are dealing with what? Below, because you're calculating on reservoir volume. So we change the above to below. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and stay tuned for more videos. So here is the small illustration. You can see the above and the below. What we are calculating on the reservoir. Now to get that, we go to scene layer. We copy it. Here you can see the volume, the 3D, the 2D. All the information is here. Please subscribe, like, and share. Now was on 1000 meter depth below. Please subscribe, like and share. So you can see we have done with the settings, the arrangement of the volume, the surface area of 3D and 2D. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share.